Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick Edmonton. Today we're going to check out the 2026 GMC Canyon Elevation. This comes in a summit white exterior and a jet black interior. Under the hood, it has a 2.7-liter Turbomax engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It comes with many cool features like off-road suspension, remote start, cruise control, heated seats and much more. Come with me as we take a look inside. Starting with the front interior, we get this beautiful jet black trim. On the top of the door panel are the door lock and lock buttons, power window and power mirror controls. At the bottom are the speakers and some storage space on the side. On the inside are the interior lighting controls and the trailer brake controller. Now we can have a full look at these cloth seats. At the bottom are the power seat controls with lumbar adjustments. Now let's have a look from the inside. On the left of the steering wheel are the cruise control settings. On the right are some directional controls. Coming to the entertainment screen, we have tons of apps over here. We can connect our phones using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. We can also access the rear vision camera from here. We get Google Maps to help us navigate around the city. We can listen to audio using AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth and some more options. At the bottom are some climate control buttons with heated front seat buttons on both the sides, followed by the climate vents, some more features, 2 charging outlets, gearbox, electronic parking brake, dual cup holders, and underneath the armrest we get some more storage space. We can also lift this up. Moving outside, this 2026 GMC Canyon Elevation comes in a summit white exterior. In the front we get the GMC logo on a blacked out grille. On the sides are the LED headlamps. This vehicle comes with 18-inch aluminum wheels. We also get blacked out side mirror covers with blind spot sensors on the front, paint matched door handles with buttons for keyless entry. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we get corner steps, GMC Canyon and Elevation written in chrome. Let's have a look at the cargo storage space. As we can see inside, we have plenty of storage space. We also get 2 corner tie downs on each side, also in the front, and a power outlet at the bottom. Finally, moving to the rear interior, we get the same trim. On the top of the door panel are the power window controls, at the bottom are the speakers and some storage space on the side. Behind the front seat, we get some additional magazine storage space. Behind the center console are the climate vents for the rear passengers, 2 charging outlets and a power outlet at the bottom. We get the same cloth trim in the rear seats as well. And using the button over here, we can lift these seats up for some more storage space underneath both the rear seats. Thank you for joining me as we had a quick look at this 2026 GMC Canyon Elevation. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.